Hi, I'm Salma from Kalimna AI, and today I will show you how you can see your call history on our platform. First, click Call History here. You will then see an overview of the calls your AI assistant had in the past. Here you can see the total number of calls. Here you can see how many percentage of calls achieved the objective if you set one. And here you can see how long the average call lasted for. Below that, you can see the specifics of your latest calls. You can export the entire list if you click right here. Here, you can see where the call took place. So, for example, this icon tells you that it was a web call the assistant took. Right here, you can see the status and the client phone number if there is one. The duration of the call is right here, and next to it, you can see which assistant took the call. Here, you can see if the call was part of one of your campaigns and when the call took place. The carrier cost is listed right here. If you want to see the specifics of the call, click View here. Here, you can listen to the call if you have activated Record Call in the assistant settings. Below, you can again see specifics about the call. Right there is the transcript of the call. This is important if you want to analyze past calls to, for example, find mistakes your assistant made. Below, you can see the evaluation of the call and the variables, like, for example, a summary of the call. If you think the call was evaluated wrong or insufficient, just click Re-evaluate Call here. If there were any post-call webhooks to external websites you automated in the Automate platform, you would see them here. This is it. Thank you for using Kalimna, and I wish you a great day.